You are welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to model this shaft with steps, and you're going to be using SolidWorks. So before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to this channel if you want more tutorials in SolidWorks, and leave a like on this video if it helps you out. Now let's get right into it. So this is a section view, fully dimensioned, of the shaft that we are going to model. So these views are going to guide us in order to model the shaft. Now that is how we are going to go about it. This view here is a section view of the shaft, and the shaft is symmetric about the horizontal axis. So you can use a horizontal line to divide this shaft here into two equal parts, that is the top and the bottom here. So we are just going to sketch the top part of it and revolve it around the horizontal axis in order to get these four parts. And after that, we cut this hole inside here and we'll be done with our step shafts. So in the SolidWorks window, click on New, and we want to model a new part. So click on Part and click OK. So this is our modeling window. This is where we are going to start modeling. First, you are going to make a sketch. So come to the Sketch menu and click on Sketch. You're going to sketch it on the front plane. So click on the front plane here. So you can pan this coordinate system here by pressing the Control key, clicking on the middle mouse button, and then dragging the mouse to a suitable location. So we draw the top feature here and then dimension it. So with the line tool, we can sketch the top profile. And click OK. Next, we can add the dimensions to it. So let's first start with the horizontal dimensions. Now, this horizontal line is 40 millimeters, and the rest, we can see 20 millimeters for all of them. So with the smart dimension, click on it, come and click on this line and change it to 40 millimeters. Then click on this line also and change it to 20 millimeters. Now we can manually set these horizontal lines to as 20 millimeters, but the smartest and fastest way to go about it is to click on this line, press the Control key, and while still holding the Control key, click on all these lines also, so you can give them the equal constraint. So release the Control key, and we can see a pop-up menu here, so make them equal, and automatically these lines all have a distance of 20 millimeters. Okay, so this line is not 20, so click on it and change it to 20 millimeters. But we can see that all these lines are 20 millimeters. Then we move on to the vertical dimension. Now, since we made a sketch of just half of this section view, all the vertical distances are going to be divided by 2, so we can just have half of them. So this diameter is 5 millimeters, so half of it will be 2.5 millimeters. So click on Smart Dimension tool and change this distance to 2.5 millimeters. Now this vertical distance is 10, so half of it will be 5. This is 20, half of it will be 10, and in that order. So this is 5 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 15 millimeters, and 20 millimeters. So click on this and change it to 5 millimeters. This is 10. This is 20. Now you have to position these dimensions in a very good way so we can see it well. And delete this dimension, we don't need it. Okay, so this is 15 millimeters. And this vertical distance is 50 millimeters, so half of it should be 25 millimeters. So change it to 25 millimeters. And this whole vertical distance is 80, so half of it should be 40. And this should be 50, so half of it should be 25. So 40 and 25. And this should be 20 as well. Now again, readjust the dimensions so we can see it well. So now our sketch is fully defined. We click OK and click on Exit. Next, you have to revolve this sketch. So click on Revolved Boss or Base. And this sketch is already selected. So for the axis of rotation, we are going to rotate it about the horizontal axis. So click on this line. Make sure the angle of revolving or angle of revolution is set to 360 degrees and click OK. Then we can cut this hole through it. So the hole should have a diameter of 40 millimeters. So click on Extruded Cut. Rotate the drawing by clicking on the middle mouse button and dragging the mouse and click on this face. Now select the circle tool and draw a circle and dimension it as 40 millimeters diameter. Click on Exit Sketch. Now the depth of cut should be 40 millimeters and click OK. So when you rotate the drawing, you can see this cut. So yeah, that's how to model this shaft with steps using SolidWorks. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on this video, and let me know in the comments if you have any problem with SolidWorks, and I'll be willing to help. I'll see you in the next tutorial.